What's up, guys? Adam C here for Hidden Jackpots. I am at the 4 Points Sheraton, right across the street from Pearson International. You guys know this. I'm headed to Cuba. Let's go check in, check out the room. All right, guys, so we just checked in, going down the hallway. You guys ready to see this room? I'm ready to see this room. Let's take a look. All right, here we are. Let's get some lights on in this place. Looks pretty nice upon first inspection here. We got a little, before we get in, got a fridge. Anything in this fridge? Nothing. Nothing like an empty fridge. There's your safe. Nice little size. A little bit dark over here. Sorry about that, guys. And we got the coffee maker with a couple little coffee pods there. What kind are they? Classic Original International Delight with a couple teas, a bottle of water, an ice bucket. Me. Hello. Sorry, I always got to do that. And then we got here, got the bathroom. Well, this is different. It's got a sliding door. Oh, I'm going to check out the closet here. It's a neat little entryway. Won't be here for long, but got the ironing board, the luggage rack, the iron, of course. So there you go. There's the little closet. Should we check out the bathroom first? Sure, let's check out the bathroom. The sliding door. I don't know how I feel about sliding doors. Where's the light? Oh, there we go. So there is the toilet. Got your body care lotion, hand wash, active. Your plug for your hair dryer, the light switch. There's me again. Hello. Too close. Too close. The mirror is nice. That's a big mirror. And me again. Hello. So yeah, it's basically got everything. Got some good water pressure there. Oh yeah, we're not in Cuba yet. We'll check the water pressure when we get there. Got the shower tub combo. Nice little shower head. It looks pretty good. I wonder if it's like massage head. I don't know. And also over here you got your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. It's nice and clean. I like it. Like I said, I'm only here for not too long. Let's get a couple hours sleep before my flight leaves. Now let's get into the main room. Oh, this is nice. Got the king size bed. Looks pretty comfy. Any more lights? We'll turn on the air conditioning. I don't know. I don't know if I need any air conditioning today. Got your alarm clock. Oh, where's the light switch for this? Oh, there's the light switch. Look at this little alarm clock. It's got 2 outlets, 2 USB ports. That is good. USB ports are always great. And the lamp here, reading lamp, you move that over above the bed. Don't think I'm going to need that, but leave that on for the video. Pillows. Oh, that pillow is soft. I don't know. Do you guys like soft pillows? Those are really soft. And then over here, full-length mirror. Full-length mirror. Hello again. Apparently, I like to say hello. Onto the room, the rest of the room. There's the desk. Nice little lamp. All the stuff you need here. Grab and go. Check out this chair. That's a nice little chair. I wonder if that's comfy. It's not bad looking. A few more outlets over here. 4 more plugs. 4 USB ports. Can never have enough USB ports. The old school phone. Why do hotels still have these phones? It's 2025. I think these phones are from like 1990. But all the hotels have them. There's your trash and recycling. More power outlets. You never have enough power. And a full dresser. Look at that. You get a full dresser here. I guess if you're staying long. Oh, there's the Bible and the Book of Mormon. I'd never seen the Book of Mormon in a hotel before, I don't think. But yeah, it's not a bad dresser. Not bad at all. And what do we have here? The view. You guys can kind of see the view. I'm going to put you guys down. And we're going to check out the view. It's the big reveal. The big reveal. Look at that view. Look at that view. I should have parked back here. Could have kept an eye on my car. But there's another hotel that's attached to here. I forget what it's called. It's another Sheraton property, I believe. So yeah, I don't think we're going to get to see any planes taken off from here. But that's okay. Like I said, I'm basically here to sleep. There's a nice little chair. Kick back and relax. A side table. I do like the furnishings in here. They're more home-like than they are hotel-like. I don't know. Looks like there might be more outlets. More outlets. And you got your other reading lamp over here. Swings over the bed just like the other one. Again, not going to be using that. And that is the bed again. You guys know what time it is. You guys know what time it is. It's time for the bed test. And it's probably going to be a little loud because I got my microphone clipped on. I'm going to take it off for a second. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Probably be getting some good sleep in a couple hours, to be honest. I got an early flight to catch. All right, I'm gonna get unpacked, a little bit unpacked, not too much, just get my stuff out for tomorrow. My flight leaves at 6:50 in the morning for Cuba. If you guys like this room review at the 4 Points Sheraton, Toronto Airport location, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you get notified whenever I do hotel reviews, food reviews, live streams, drive streams, all that good stuff. And with that, I am out. Ciao.